got this feeling like it's starting now, starting now. I feel adventurous with you, and there is nothing that can hold us back, hold us back. We can do what we wanna do, 'cause we got all the time in the world. For better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like...
I want to show you guys things that I received in the mail. So I want to show you guys three things that I received in the mail. These are my, I think they're like t-shirts, like those t-shirts in vogue right now, kind of like indigo shirts and shorts. And this one is the same. And this one, I remember I ordered this like probably in February. Are you about me recording? Can tell I made coffee. I woke up super early. I woke up like around 7:20 this morning. Careful. So this is the dress. Hey, look at how cute this is. And it's super light. And you can wear tight under. And this was like really inexpensive, but it takes forever to come. But I think it's just because of the COVID-19 going on. That's why everything takes forever. But for the past 1 month, everything has been fast shipping. So yeah, this is it. It looks really cute. I'll show you the other one. This is the other one that I ordered. This one right here with a shorts on it. So this is gonna be kind of like my PJs. People rock it actually. People wear it outside, but I will not wear this outside. So this is gonna be like kind of like my PJs, and it's super cute. And this one is the indigo one. Same thing. And the indigo, really cute. So yeah, if you guys want the link, it was inexpensive, let me know. I will leave it in the comment section. Remember this video that I edited yesterday, about a couple videos ago, I was coughing, I was feeling pain in my throat, and it happens again yesterday, feeling just coughing. And me and my husband were just like talking about something, and it led me to like laughing so hard instead of coughing, and the cough wouldn't stop. So, but anyways, I have work this morning. Oh yeah, I need to make my coffee. You left your tea here, and I'm gonna have coffee. Okay, so what are you doing? Making your bed.
Last night you put my bed way over there.
Okay, I'm sorry. You want to make your bed now?
The reason why is because Malika had shown.
Let's make our bed and let's go brush our teeth. You need help, Malika? That was the PJs from last night. Want me to help you? And all of this mess over here, I don't understand. Why are you going under your bed? Is that all messy? Okay. That's her. That's her. Okay, Leila, let's go brush your teeth. I don't have a lot of time.
Done.
Okay. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the vlog. These kids are driving me a little nuts. It's like 7:30 this morning, and I'm still here. My eyes and allergies are not getting along. Okay, I'm not gonna brush your teeth anymore. You can do that yourself, girls. Malika, what's wrong?
Nothing.
You sure?
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Family Vlog. And today I'm going to. So right now, I'm already done brushing my teeth, and now I'm going to brush my teeth. I mean, I was done making my bed. So when should I set you guys down? Yeah, here's okay.
You and me stuck on the ocean now. Nothing but waves and we're spinning in. I wanna dry up but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here. All my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside this dome. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, all the way back home. Chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all.
Okay, guys, we're done brushing our teeth. And then after we brush our teeth, we usually take a shower. But I'm going to choose out the outfit I'm going to wear and then take my shower. Okay, guys, so I'm going to sit up here. And if only, guys, I need my mom for this. I absolutely need my mom. Mommy, there's something wrong. There's something wrong with this thing. So I read the instructions. See, I read the instructions.
I see it. You see? You just have to press it. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
When you press it hard and hold it, and that's when the move.
Okay, guys, I got the camera working again. So my mom says I have to press really hard, which hurts my fingers. Malika, see? Look at this. So it's very, very hard. Look, Malika. Everyone sees you.
Yesterday we could be ourselves. Didn't have much, but nevertheless, we were true to each other. But now we don't even bother. I remember you being hopeful, but the tall waves have worn us down.
Guys, look how cute this is. Do you think this is cute? Do you actually think this is cute? I think I should wear it.
I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we
Guys, and what? Wait. So this is what I have chosen. A yellow shirt with overalls. And my little sister I have chosen a purple shirt which is wild at heart. And the same overall. We went shopping once few weeks ago, and we found these overalls that match but different sizes. So cute.
And this is the kids' breakfast today.
I pulled
Pancakes
mine
and
up.
scrambled egg. Lila almost finished. Malika too. You like it?
I love it.
Thanks, sweetie. Malika, what about you? Do you like it? Enjoy your meals.
And Mommy usually cooks.
Yeah. Now, I just have to boil this turkey. I think I have some beef as well. You can see I finished washing it. I sprinkled it with some seasoning. I will be putting some water in it to mix it up together. I will cook and fry it, but this is how it looks after I finish washing the turkey. I'll keep you updated how everything goes on. The turkey is cooking right now. The turkey is cooking. I'll give it some time to be well cooked. Then I'll be back to show you what I'll be doing with it. I know this is huge. You know, I just want to cook it, fry it, and preserve it in case of other time. So it will save us the time of cooking, frying, and do all the stuff all over again. So if I don't do it, who will? So this is how I will start frying to avoid all these splashes and all this split all those stuff. I just want to avoid it today. The vegetable oil is in there. I have my very big frying pan, and see you in a bit. Yeah, the frying is ready now. I finished frying all the beefs and the turkeys, and you can see how dirty everywhere looks. This is the oil I used. You can see how stainy everywhere looks. So I like to clean everything up because I use them and I have to clean them. I'll start cleaning, and at the same time I'm in class. You wouldn't believe I'm in class. I have some assignment that is due for tomorrow and Monday. You can see I'm doing some write-ups and I'm doing everything, and at the same time I'm taking care of the kids. You can see them, they're always all over me. They want something. What do you want? What?
How do you spell choice?
Choice. C
Okay.
H.
Which H?
Let me help you. You want to spell Abby's choice, right?
Yeah. This one.
Hey, you see what you want to watch? That is what you want to watch now. So I'm running 4 things at a go.
Where you move, make me blind. You will always be there. There's no doubt in my mind. You will always be there. Heading out to see ya and leave the rest behind. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you 'cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know you will always be the. Yeah, I know you will always be the. Yeah, I know you will always be. Come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know you will always be the. I'll do it all for you. I'll be enough for you, baby. I'll do it all for you. I'll be enough for you. 'Cause you make me feel like, yeah, you make me feel like, I said you make me feel like, yeah, you make me feel, I know you will always be.
See what we have now. Yeah.
I have an idea for next Mother's Day.
See what I have now.
Daddy, I have an
Hey guys, good evening, welcome back. Daddy started the vlog today. Let me go this way. It's like a nice better view. I'm gonna clean the camera, sorry guys. There we go. Good evening, welcome back to the vlog. I'm wearing this hat, I found it in the house. You guys remember this hat? I got it like last year, something like that. What are you doing to your daddy? Why? Take your feet off him. That's not very nice.
I wasn't taking.
And now you're not saying anything.
He's so.
It's not okay. It's not okay at all. Daddy cooked today. And it cooked meat. It cooked turkey, fry. Oh, and I came home. Look at this, guys. Hey, this is like Eid all over again. It's like we're gonna have another Eid. No, we're not, but if you see this kind of meat in Nigeria, it's like Eid meat, ram. So yeah. That's tasty. Tastes really good. So good. Thanks, man. Oh, Jane. Oh. Did you vlog today? Huh? Oh, no. Oh, I like to butter my leeks a little bit. So, I'm cooking hot dog for the kids. Here, they didn't have lunch apparently. And it's like 5 o'clock right now. They didn't have lunch yet. I'm like, why? So, I'm cooking that. I'm hungry too. I think I want to show you a new toy. It's cute.
Dad, I have a bubble gum.
What's her name? So I brought some stuff, some groceries that Malik is gonna put away. It's usually Yusra's job, but Yusra is not home, so Malik is gonna do it. Yeah, my Jason. Okay. I started a vlog before, but I don't think I started it properly. So I want to restart it again and talk to you guys properly. Good evening. Apparently Daddy cooked today. It cooked turkey. It cooked it and fried it, and some meat over here, and it did a lot today. I really appreciate it. I really do appreciate him taking his time and cooking everything, so I don't have to like do too much. I just blend the pepper and just cook the meat. That's all I have to do. But I don't think I want to cook tonight, to be honest. Maybe I will, I don't know, but for now I'm gonna give the kids lunch. I just got back from work and they have not eaten lunch, and it's like 5 p.m. right now. Look, I bought them some hot dogs, so It's something that I can give them really fast, and my kids love hot dogs, so I'm gonna give them that. And my friend Tony, you guys already know what I'm gonna say. She cooked for me today as well. She's like, Abby, I cooked some food. She usually cook a lunch to work, and whenever she prepare a lunch, she always make mine. Some of you guys that know that my friend cooked for me said to me, somebody actually even messaged me that you should be careful when it comes to like eating from people, which I really appreciate that person. Yes, honey. Oh, daddy, sorry. I really appreciate that person telling me I should be careful when it comes to like eating from people outside, like only eat from people that you trust. I know I just met Tony not too long, but I feel like I've known her for a while. That's how we have been very close. She is a sister from another mother, honestly. Like, she's been so there for me. And when I see people, I know people that are real. Trust me, there's some friends that I know for so long that I don't like them the way I like Tony. She's a really good sister. I say, Abby, you're not even my friend, you're my sister. I'm like a little sister. My husband know her. She came to my house. She doesn't want to like show her face on social media. She doesn't like that, so which I respect so much. And I know her kids, I know her family. I'm very grateful that I come across her. So I really appreciate, like, you would never see me eating anyhow with anyone. My instinct is what I listen to, and I have to go well with that person. Like, pretty much I've never met anyone like that. I've never had a friend like that, you know. And that's why I just love her. I love her generosity. I love her. She's genuine, you know. There's some people that you know right away that your gut will tell you this person is genuine, you know. She introduces her kid to me, her family, her husband, herself, and like our whole family, her sisters, like almost all of them. And same here, I introduce my family to her. She take my kids like her kids. I take her kids like my kids. So yeah, I really appreciate that person telling me, oh, be careful when you eat from people that you don't know. I understand. I really truly understand. This world can be crazy, you know. It's not only even with families. Some families that you don't even trust like that, you don't eat from them. Anyway, so I'm gonna go give my kids some hot dogs. They're gonna be eating 2 hot dogs because I bet they're very hungry. They have not eaten anything for lunch. The last thing they had was, I'm sure they have like their snacks and stuff. There's so many snacks in the house. We have a lot, like fruits and stuff, but actual lunch they didn't eat, which I don't know why. When my kids find some little snacks to eat around their house, they don't remember to eat. Are your kids like that? They will never remember to eat, and their dad will never remember to give them food. So when I'm home is when I remind them like they have to eat. So and I always ask, every time I come back from work, I always ask, what did you eat for breakfast, what did you eat for lunch? And they will tell me. To be honest, they always eat lunch before I come back. They always eat. Daddy always gives them food, but today I don't know what happened. Daddy didn't remember, or the kids were not hungry. So this is gonna be their lunch. Oh, let me get a plate. Don't let me use like a breakable plate. My kids will break it. They will break it right now. So oh, I kind of want this hot dog too. Looks really good. Oh, now I'm broke. It's kind of broke. Okay, you want to have this? Celila is having watermelon. I was going to give you fruits after that, but I put double there. Yeah, is it too much? Can I take one up? Okay, I thought you'll be hungry. Okay, mommy will have this. When you think about weight loss, you will never want to eat all of these things. But honestly, once in a while doesn't kill.
It's fake kills.
original. Puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on.